Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shivan's Tech, and I'm sorry guys, I was not posting the videos regularly, so now I will try to post videos continuously. So as per our request, what we got from one of our subscriber, that he wants to know how we can change the spec, basically specification, how to change the specification in a already modeled line. Okay, so today's video about that only, that how we can change the PMS or spec basically in the pipeline, already modeled pipeline. So now first of all we should be, to do this, to change the spec, we need to be in a piping task. Okay, while we are working for modeling. So when I go for pipe run here, I can see this pipe run. Basically, let's suppose we are talking about if this pipe run. So this is one pipe run. I selected this. This is one pipe run of 4 inch. Okay. I selected this property of pipe run, and here we have something is called specification. So here you can go to the drop down and you can select any other spec whatever you want, and as soon as I click apply, your pipe specification, basically PMS is changed now for this pipeline. So changing spec is very easy. So it is telling in this spec there is no matching flange found. Click OK, or you can change any other spec also, it's up to you. Let's suppose if you want to try any other spec, I just click OK, I just apply, and here there is some dimension problem. So you will see whenever you are changing the spec now, the pipeline is getting adjusted according to that spec. If any object is not there, and if anything is missing, so it will give you the error. You can see, just once you click OK, you can accept and just say OK. Now you can see your pipeline is here. Complete line has been changed the PMS. But as there were no flanges, so there is some problem like mispronunciation might be happening. So now let's try to go back. Now if you have already routed one pipe, you are changing the specifications, and there is one more request, like how we can change the size. So next is, here is the one thing, the specification we can change. And the second is nominal diameter. Nominal diameter, you just say instead of 4 inch, if you click 8 inch from the drop down and just say apply, you will see the difference in pipeline. So I just say finish, and here we can see the pipeline thickness got changed. Size, basically complete size got changed. So this is something what we can change accordingly. So now I hope it is clear for you how we can change the size and the PMS. But just be aware that to change the specification and the size of complete pipe run, we need to be in the pipe run, in this complete pipe run. If you will be in a pipeline, you will not get this option to change it. I go here in the pipe run, I select this size 4 inch to 10 inch, and I just say apply. My complete sizes got changed, complete wall, flanges, all whatever it is there, it everything got changed as per the 10 inch size. So I hope it is clear guys, and thank you so much, and let me know what you want me to make, any topic you want to suggest. I will make a video on your suggested topic. Let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much guys.